Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Drexel Heights local and long-distance movers near me. 3Movers is a high-quality, affordable moving company in Drexel Heights, Arizona. Our crews assist residential and commercial customers with their local and long-distance moves. Moving long distance is a significant life transition that requires planning and assistance. You need a great moving company to help. How do you choose the right one? 3Movers has some good suggestions from the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, aka FMCSA, which is the agency responsible for overseeing interstate movers. 1. Limit your search to companies that register with FMCSA. Registration is required and demonstrates compliance with federal rules governing movers. The FMCSA site has an up-to-date database of moving companies and maintains information about their safety records and customer complaints. 2. Always get written estimates from the moving companies and request that the bid be based on a visual survey of your shipment. The mover should come to your residence to review your household goods and discuss the move parameters with you before submitting a quote. 3. Price isn't the only factor to consider. Evaluate the mover based on trustworthiness and safety. Check references and consider whether you are comfortable with them. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Drexel Heights moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.